Okay, so today we are going to discuss how to set up the VMware on your Google Chromebook by using the app. Now there's two ways to do this, and that can be either downloading the app or using the HTML series, but just for this video we're only going to specifically be using VMware through the app. So to start this video off, we're going to go in this Google search bar, we're going to type in Play Store. The Play Store comes up. And then on this next search bar right here, up here at the top, we're going to type in VMware. Enter. And then this very first app that comes up, VMware Horizon Client, we're going to click on that because that'll be the app that we're using. We're going to install this app. This will take a minute for it to install. Now once it's installed, I want you to open the app. And then you'll come up to the screen that's asking you if the VMware can access your files. I normally click allowing it to access because I want it to be able to access my files while I'm using the app. Because once you are in the app, you can't really go back onto your just regular computer unless you close out of everything. So then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to press this back button. And then this, I normally just click allow just in case I want to make a call through the VMware. But this next step is really important. For this step, the server name or address, this is the Lakeland College ID. In the server description, you don't have to do that, but most people here just put Lakeland College. But this first one up here, this is like the most important part because it's the VMware Lakeland College ID that you have to use. So I want you guys here to type viewportal.lakelandcollege.edu and then we will click connect. Now this is essentially your Lakeland login that you'll be using when you come to school here. This should already be assigned to you and it will not change when you're trying to sign into this. So I'm going to type my username and login and then I'll type in my password. And then I will also come down here and change this to student. And before I log in, I want you to come up here and click on this little tablet button. And then right here, this is going to ask you if you want to make it resizable, which I always do that because if you get into the app, you cannot make this adjust to your full screen. So I just do that early on in the process so I don't ever have to worry about that anymore. And then I click login and then I'll make this full screen. Click on Lakeland College and then make it full screen. There we go. And then now I am on the Lakeland College's VMware. So this is essentially the screen that you see when you log into any computer here, and I can come up here to my PC and I can access my U drive. I got this book thing saved on here. But yeah, you could use this VMware to access stuff from home. I'll exit out of this. And then in order to disconnect from the VMware, you come over here and click this like white little tab that's sticking out. And then you'll click this like little plug-in thing and you'll just click disconnect. And then you are essentially back at your screen that you were just on. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to close out of everything that I have open. And I want you to come up here and then click and hold onto this app and then click pin to shell. So then once you start using this app more and more often, it's just going to be easier to come down here to your computer, click on it, and then you can access it right away. Click on Lakeland College. That'll be the screen that normally comes up, and then I'll enter my password and it should log me right into the VMware here at Lakeland. And it did exactly what I just said. So that is all today, you guys. Thank you for listening. And if you want other ways to figure out how to access your VMware at home, either through laptops, Dells, HPs, or just through the HTML series online, you can find more of those videos at the Tutoring Center Canvas page. Thank you for listening, and I can't wait to be seeing you guys come in here at the Tutoring Center.